Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove an old shipping address from your Amazon account. This is really helpful for keeping your address book clean and preventing accidental shipments to outdated locations. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon profile. On the account page, look for the option that says Your Addresses. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all your saved shipping and billing addresses. Click on your addresses to open up your complete address book. Here you'll see all the addresses currently stored in your account, including any old or outdated ones you no longer need. Next, scan through the list and locate the old address you want to remove. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that address entry. You'll notice a Remove button appears next to it. Click on Remove to initiate the deletion process. Amazon wants to make sure you're certain about this action, so they'll ask for confirmation. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete this address. This is Amazon's way of preventing accidental deletions. Simply click Yes to confirm. Once you do this, the address will be permanently removed from your account and won't appear in your shipping options anymore. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Amazon address book by removing that old shipping address. This ensures that when you're checking out in the future, you'll only see current, relevant addresses to choose from. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.